all the chocolate chips.
Hey, Bo, what are we going to make today?
Chocolate chip cookies.
All right, let's get started then.
Come on. All right.
We got our ingredients over here. We got butter, brown sugar, chocolate chips, flour, sugar, salt, baking soda, vanilla, and a couple of eggs. First, you're going to want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Start with, you need a couple sticks of butter.
Butter.
Yeah.
If you think ahead enough, you'll set these out in time, but since I didn't, I've got these kind of runny ones because I had to nuke them a little bit. Get them softened up a little.
Let me get in there. Oh my.
Yeah, it's working really well. It likes to stick to the paper, as you can see. Let's see if we can get this other one out of here. It's probably a little softer than you're gonna want it, but you can't screw up chocolate chip cookies.
The coronavirus is gone.
Coronavirus. Mm-hmm. That's why we can't visit anybody right now.
And we'll dump the rest of this little bit in there. All right, get this disaster out of the way.
Yuck.
Let's clean my hands off a little bit. All right, next, white sugar. We're going to use a half cup of white sugar. Most recipes are going to tell you to use half white sugar, half brown sugar. I think you should use twice as much brown sugar. So that's a cup of brown sugar, half cup of white. And we'll get her in here and set it to mixing. All right, after we got this looking nice and creamy in the bowl there, a couple of eggs. Crack them into this little bowl first, just in case you get some shells.
And we have to
This is not the way.
put it into the bowl. Right there.
A couple of eggs into the bowl.
Yep, we do, buddy.
Into this bowl. And get it rolling again. All right, so now we got this looking really creamy in there. It's really nice and light looking. Key is to really beat it to death once you put the eggs in there. Next, teaspoon of vanilla goes in. Just a quick mix here, just to incorporate that. Onto the dry ingredients, we got 2 1/4 cups of flour, teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of baking soda. Mix this outside of your wet ingredients first to get it all fully incorporated. Whisk it up, get it nice and fluffy. All right, so now we're gonna take that flour mixture, dump it in to the bowl with all that wet stuff. You don't want to overmix this too much, but you do have to get it kind of incorporated. Start slow or else this flour is gonna fly every freaking where. Now we got it looking like dough. Last thing wouldn't be chocolate chip cookies without the chocolate chips. That's a whole bag of chocolate chips or a cup and a half or whatever comes in one of them. Give this thing a quick mix just to distribute the chips, and we'll get them onto a sheet and ready for the oven. Now it's time to take this delicious dough, and I like to make them kind of big, so it's a pretty good old blob there on a large size spoon. I'm gonna drop them on the sheet here. I'm using these silicone liners, but that way they don't stick to our incredibly shitty cookie sheets.
It's okay if you don't have cookie sheets. It's nice.
Watch this, okay? This is funny. Watch this, this is funny.
Hilarious.
That's so funny. I'm watching it, but I'm trying to make cookies right now too.
That was just normal Bo.
Good thing about chocolate chip cookies, if you've never made them, they just kind of turn into circles magically no matter what size blob you've used. And if you make them big like this, you're not going to get more than a couple of trays of them, which is also fine.
I'm really struggling here. Okay.
kind of small. Let's make it a little bigger.
Wait, but are my cookies too far apart?
No, that's fine.
They're actually not fine. You just said they're fine.
That'll be fine though.
Here, let me help you take care of this problem.
Yeah, we got just a little bit of dough left, so now if you haven't tasted it yet. No. Alright, now our oven's preheated.
Harper?
We got our cookies ready to go. So we're gonna just slam them in the oven here for, I don't know, probably 12, 14 minutes, something like that. These are pretty big. Smaller ones are gonna get done a lot faster. We'll set the timer so we don't forget them. We'll see you in a little bit. These took more like 15 minutes or so. But the last thing you wanna do is wait for these things to get all golden brown in the oven. Get them when they still look like they're dough. See, they're still really soft. They're gonna deflate a little bit sitting here on the counter, but they're also gonna continue cooking a little bit on this hot sheet. So take them out before you think they're done, and that's how you get a soft cookie. We'll throw the other tray in here, and we're gonna go, straight to like 14 minutes on these. You wanna look in the oven?
Mm-hmm.
Let's take a look.
Oh, wow.
How about these? How do these look?
Yummy.
Yeah, you think you want one?
Yes, please. I'll have one too.
We'll see if they're set enough to get off the sheet.
What do you think?
It's yummy.
How yummy? A lot yummy or a little yummy?
A lot yummy.
Got to sample a different one?
How'd we do?
Did we do a good job on these cookies?
Is it thumbs up or thumbs down?
Show us thumbs up or thumbs down. Which is it?
It's chocolate chip.
No. Do you like it like this or is it like this?
It's on this. Whoa.
Oh yeah, Bo. That's the money shot. That's the cookie money shot.
So, Bo, you've almost eaten all of both of those big cookies. What do you think?
It's yummy.
How yummy?
Super.
Super yummy?
Your battery is low.
You're right, it is low. It's a
Maybe
good eye.
it's gonna die.
It's not going to die quite yet. Still says we have 30%. You want to show everybody how you dip in the milk? Oh, yeah.
Ooh. That looks like an extra yummy bite.
How was that?
Yummy.
Should everyone at home that sees this video make our cookies?
Uh-huh.
All right.
If you like this video,
Please subscribe.